Yo, what's up my people, it's your boy April, and today I'm going to show you how to make Afro drill instrumental. If you are a music producer willing to explore different genres of music, stick with me to the end. And before I forget, shout out to Trestar for sponsoring this video. This coat I'm wearing is a gift from Trestar, so if you are going to get clothes, don't forget to contact Trestar. I will leave their number somewhere in this video and tag them. So without wasting time, let's get into it. So first thing while making Afro drill music is setting your BPM. In this beat I use 40 BPM, and the first element I add on this beat is this snare. And then after that I add this arts. Come on, you are feeling the bounce already. Then after that we have this kick. This kick just spice the whole thing up. So I think this is all for the drum. Very simple. You don't have to stress yourself, you don't have to stress your brain, just keep it very simple. So after that we move to the melody, and first I layered out my chord, and here is my chord. And for the chord I use a sound from Flex, Skilled G Tissue. So together with the whole thing, the chord sounding like this. And then after that, moving to the 808, sounding like this. So for this 808, I use a one shot for the 808. So together with the whole thing sounding like this. So after that I have this sound also. And this sound is from Morphine. I think string, and this is STR electric guitar NUC. So then after that we have this log drum also. I'm using 4 different log drums for this. So together with the whole thing sounding like this. And after that, I also have this sound which is in the chorus and the intro, sounding like this. Playing the same thing with the chord, but I reversed it. So this sound is from, I think, Ogun. Where's the sound? What is the name of this thing? So this sound is called orchestra, from this FL stock plugin also. So I have the sound in the intro and the chorus. So this is how it's sounding with the whole thing we already had. So after that, we have this sound also. From Armor. It's called Plug Calido from Armor. And together with what we already had, sounding like this. So the last thing I added to this beat is this. Also a plug sound from Armor. So let's listen to the whole thing and vibe. We have this.
If you didn't cook.
So that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and share. Please don't forget to like. And once again, shout out to Tresta for sponsoring this video. Like I said before, this clothes I wore was a gift from Tresta. So bye.